Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can master Logitech MX Master for gestures for productivity. First of all, let's identify the gestures button on your mouse. By default it's this one, this button under your thumb's rest. It's easily accessible and I think it's the most optimal option for the gestures button. However, you can assign gestures to any button on your mouse except for left and right click. And to do that, to start working with gestures, basically you have to first download the official software from Logitech called Logi Options Plus. It's free to use, downloadable software. Installation is performed in one click. Optionally, you can sign into your account in this application. In this way you will get access to plugins. However, we will not cover this topic in this video. I've covered it in a bunch of others. Now, for gestures, I'm not sure if you can actually use any plugins for gestures. So once you install this application, you just have to connect your mouse to your computer, to your PC, using any available connection type. So using the Logi Bolt, using Bluetooth, or basically however you want. And once you do that, you will see your mouse in this window. And now if you click on it, you'll be transferred to the buttons menu, which is exactly what we're looking for. Now here you can find the gestures icon, the gestures button icon, and you can straight away click on it and then select one of the available presets. However, I said you before that you can assign any other button for gestures. To do that, you just have to click the button you actually want to use for gestures, and then either search for gestures using the search bar or scroll down to other actions and select gestures at the top of the list, and then you will assign this button to perform gestures instead. Now, when you're using gestures, you can either select one of the available presets like virtual desktops, media controls, Windows management, app navigation, zoom / rotate, etc. Or you can scroll all the way down this list and select custom to create a custom preset for your gestures. Now, how to perform gestures? You can either click this button. In this way you will perform this option, which is task view in my case. You can hold it down and then move the mouse up. You can hold it down and move mouse down, hold it down and move mouse to the right side or to the left. And these are the 5 gestures that are available. In my case, holding it and moving to the left, it will switch the view to the left desktop. To the right, it will switch the view to the right desktop. Now we're talking about virtual desktops in Windows, not monitors. And if you want to set up a custom preset, you just have to click right here and now click any of these options you see, and you will see this menu. It's pretty intuitive. So what you have to do is just assign different actions to different gestures. So I think you see what they mean. So this action will be performed once you hold the button and move your mouse backward. This one will move will be performed when you move it up, and so on. To assign a gesture for your mouse, you have an action to a gesture on your mouse. You have to click on do nothing and then switch this option to some of the available actions, and as you can see, there is a bunch of them. So just select one of the actions you see right here, for example volume up, and let's select volume down for this action, for example. Okay, and so now whenever you hold the gestures button and move your mouse up, you will make the sound volume louder, and by moving it down you will make it quieter. And now let's make the click mute the sound. So let's find mute unmute speaker, and now whenever I click the gestures button, I'll mute the speaker, and so it makes this gestures, it makes it much easier to navigate the media volume, for example. And that's basically all I wanted to cover in this video. That's how gestures work, and I hope that you will also use your creativity to create some productive presets for your gestures button. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.